If you're on the lookout for a compact yet powerful camera to elevate your photography and videography, Panasonic's LUMIX GH7 Mirrorless Micro Four Thirds camera could be exactly what you need. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Design and build. The LUMIX GH7 has a lightweight, compact body that makes it easy to take on the go. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort, even during extended shooting sessions. The button layout is intuitive, allowing quick adjustments and easy access to essential controls. Panasonic has built the GH7 with a robust, weather-sealed body, so it's ready for all kinds of shooting environments, whether you're at the beach, in a forest, or in a bustling city. Image quality. The GH7 is equipped with a newly enhanced Micro Four Thirds sensor that captures vibrant colors, exceptional detail, and impressive low-light performance. Despite its compact size, the GH7's sensor can capture images comparable to larger DSLR cameras, making it ideal for photographers who need a lightweight option without compromising image quality. Video performance. The GH7 is where Panasonic continues to shine, particularly in videography. With the ability to shoot 4K video at 60 fps and Full HD at 120 fps, the camera is excellent for high-quality video projects, slow-motion shots, and other creative applications. Key highlights: 10-bit internal recording offers more color depth and flexibility in post-production. Vlog-L pre-installed for professional-level color grading. In-body 5-axis image stabilization ensures smooth, stable footage even in handheld shots, making it perfect for dynamic shooting styles. Autofocus system. Panasonic has significantly improved the autofocus system on the GH7. The advanced face and eye detection locks onto subjects quickly, and it performs remarkably well in various lighting conditions. For vloggers and solo creators, this accurate autofocus means you can confidently capture yourself without worrying about staying in focus. Battery life. Battery life is solid for a mirrorless camera, providing around 400 to 500 shots per charge depending on the settings and usage. The GH7 also supports USB charging, a welcome feature for on-the-go creators who may need to charge up in the middle of a shoot. Connectivity and usability. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make it easy to transfer files and control the camera remotely through the LUMIX Sync app. Whether you want to share shots quickly on social media or use your phone as a remote, connectivity is hassle-free and reliable. The camera is also compatible with various Micro Four Thirds lenses, giving you flexibility across focal lengths for different shooting styles. Pros and cons. Pros: lightweight, durable build with weather sealing. Excellent image quality and impressive low-light performance. Superb 4K video capabilities with Vlog-L and 10-bit recording. Fast, accurate autofocus. USB charging for convenience. Cons: Micro Four Thirds sensor has a smaller crop factor than APS-C or full frame. Limited battery life for intensive video work. Extra batteries recommended. Who should buy the Panasonic LUMIX GH7? The LUMIX GH7 is perfect for content creators, videographers, and travel photographers who want pro-level video and image quality in a compact form. It's especially suited for YouTubers, vloggers, and filmmakers looking for a reliable 4K camera without the bulk of traditional DSLRs or high-end cinema cameras. Conclusion: the Panasonic LUMIX GH7 delivers outstanding image quality, cinematic 4K video, and a feature-rich experience in a sleek, portable package. From impressive autofocus to versatile video features, this camera packs a lot of power and is an ideal companion for creators on the go. If you're ready to step up your content with a high-performance camera that won't weigh you down, the LUMIX GH7 is a fantastic choice. Grab yours today and unlock new possibilities in your creative journey.